Fantastic wishes all its viewers a very happy, healthy, joyous and prosperous new year. At the outset, we wish to thank all our subscribers for their support that motivates us to discover newer horizons in the learning endeavors for our tiny tots. This new year, we sincerely aim to not only provide more opportunities for our kids to explore themselves, but also to motivate parents to develop the attitude of stepping out of their comfort zones and setting an example for their children. Everything has its own positive and negative sides, but it all depends on you, which side you choose to see. A positive mind finds opportunity in everything, whereas a negative mind finds faults in everything. I'm sure we all have heard this so many times in our lives, and probably we try to make an effort to be positive on a few occasions too. Fantastic is happy and proud to introduce a super kid who is a true example of the saying, where there is a will, there is a way. Corona and the subsequent lockdown could not stop little Krishal from exploring the different areas of his interest and learning about them. In fact, not only is he learning, but as a true ambassador of knowledge, he shares it with everyone on the social media through his YouTube channel. Let's first meet Krishal.
Hi, I am Krishal Arana. I am 7 years old. I study in 2nd standard in GCC International School, Mumbai. I have my YouTube channel called Krishal Arana, where I have posted different videos on craft, science, experiments and even shloka recitation. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my videos, please like and share with others too. Thank you.
To know more about evolution of little Krishal, we interviewed his mother. We've divided the interview into 2 parts as we do not wish to keep the duration of the video too long. Also, we have another reason. We wish to provide time for introspection to our viewers and come up with their viewpoints or takeaways. We shall summarize everyone's thoughts, including fantastic, and present it in the 3rd or concluding part. Do share your thoughts, as it might provide us an opportunity to understand your perspective. Let's begin with the interview. Hi Shilpa. Tell me, what prompted Krishal to get introduced to YouTube?
When Krishal was small, I used to find it easy to feed him with the help of a mobile. So he was always a fussy eater, and I, being a working mother, I used to find it very comfortable and easy to feed him with the help of a mobile. I know it was, it's not right, but then that was something which I felt comfortable. So then I introduced him to YouTube, and there I ensured that he's watching some good content, like he's learning something. Either he is learning some nursery rhymes or shapes or colors. So I used to select some channels, and I used to tell him that you see this. Slowly and gradually he started picking up those rhymes, and he used to recite it on his own. So that's when I thought that at least if YouTube is teaching him something, then why not make the most of it. Okay, so when I saw that he's learning something by watching videos on YouTube, I felt that at least he's doing something productive. Slowly he became an expert in searching content on YouTube, and at the same time I had this parent protection feature switched on YouTube, so I know that he is in control and I know what he is watching. Gradually, when he was searching other videos, he said that I can learn so many things, why can't I learn craft? And that's when he started watching simple videos, and he created very simple aeroplanes using paper. He created flowers. So he learned a lot of things through that. So that was one thing which I felt really happy. I was like, at least he is learning, he is spending his time in the most productive way, and he's not simply playing online games. There is, the learning is not being impacted.
Oh, well, that was a very honest answer, Shilpa, I must say. Now, taking just the positive from your answer, that is learning, my next question is, what was your reaction and how did you support Krishil in his venture?
Okay, so one day Krishil came and told me, I want to have my own YouTube channel. I heard that and I said, wow, that sounds very interesting. And immediately me and my husband, we were like, this is a very good idea. He can put up his own videos, he can think content for that, and he can have his own independent YouTube channel. So we supported, but then I also had to find out how to create a YouTube channel and all that, but it was simple. So he got his own channel of his own, and since then he said, let me try putting small videos on this channel.
We would like to know, do you train Krishil to learn the script for his videos, or you allow him complete freedom to choose the topics and conceive his own ideas or scripts?
It would be wrong if I say no, he does everything by himself and he comes up with the script. No, it's not like that. I do train him. I give him a gist about how to introduce a topic, how to speak, how to end it, and then I leave the freedom, I allow him to make his own sentences. So a few mistakes here and there are okay, but initial training, yes, I do tell him that how he needs to introduce, how he needs to talk, how he needs to come up, and then in the end how he needs to conclude the entire video.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please share this video with as many people as you can if you belong to the school of thought that we can create opportunities for ourselves rather than wait for someone to give us an opportunity. Do not forget to share your thoughts, as we too would benefit from your perspective. Don't miss to watch the second part of the interview that would be released very soon. Do take very good care of yourself and stay safe. Always be an enthusiastic and eager learner. Bye bye.